Welcome to our tutorial about the Fillet tool. Let's begin by creating a shape on our sketch. Maybe something like this. And let's close it. Exit the sketch. Now let's activate the extrude command. OK. And here is our part. Let's activate the Fillet tool now. The first tab is where we control constant edged fillets. Let's select the edge to fillet, and let's enter 1/4 of an inch for our radius value. Now select our next line, click to add. We'll select our second edge. Let's change our second radius as well, and let's enter 1/4 of an inch for our radius value. The next tab covers variable radius fillets. Let's begin by selecting an edge. We can select the end radius as well as the start radius. And in our workspace, you see our fillet with its variable radius. On the next tab, we control setbacks. The setback option defines continuous transitions between fillets. I'm going to select vertex. Here we can specify the radius for each edge. 1/4 of an inch, let's say, and apply. We have Fillet 1 as you see here, but the dialog window is still open. We also have a few more options that I'd like to explore. We can apply to faces. Click OK. In this case, the fillet radius is too large. We get a warning message. Let's try it again. 125. Apply. 125 will work. Or we can apply the fillet to the entire part. OK. Let's cancel out of this for now. We're going to Shift-select all the fillets in the browser and delete them. Now let's activate the Fillet tool again. The next option here is the Face Fillet. This option creates a fillet between two faces. Once again, we can select the radius. Click Apply. Let's cancel out for now. We're going to right-click and delete this fillet. And activate the Fillet tool again. The last option we've got here is the full round fillet. That's a fillet between 3 adjacent faces. Apply once we've selected our faces. And let's cancel out for now. Now let's delete this fillet. Right-click, delete. Activate the Fillet tool again. Let's select this edge. Change the value to 1/2 an inch. And click underneath to add. We'll select this edge, and we'll also make it 0.5 of an inch. Actually, let's make it 0.4 so they don't overlap. Another option that we're going to cover in this chapter is G1 and G2. There is a significant difference between these two. I'll talk about this in a little bit. For now, G2 creates a more gradual and smooth transition between surfaces. Let's apply, and then we'll cancel out. Now let's select the front. Actually, let's make another fillet 0.4 of an inch as well, so they do look equal. All right, let's go to Tools from the main menu and click Analysis. Select New Curvature Analysis. Let's select this face, and then click Apply. Let's see how it looks. Here's our curvature analysis. As you see, the G1 option here creates a less smooth transition between this face and this face. Look at the G2 option. The transition is much smoother along this edge and this edge. Let's cancel out for now. This concludes our tutorial on the Fillet tool.